think in terms of sustainability, we knew that Castleward is a very sustainable location, so we wanted to reinforce that part and make sure that it touches upon all three aspects of social, economical and climatic, environmental sustainability.
It is a large piece of land, 30 acres, right next to the city centre, right next to the major retail centre, and also very close to the railway station, incredibly accessible. And potentially very popular as a new residential neighbourhood.
So it's an ideal opportunity to repair the fabric of the city, to bring in affordable housing, to create a really strong link between the railway station and the central business district, and to provide homes close to existing amenities. So it's really sustainable living at the heart of the city. It's an ideal opportunity. We were asked at the bid stage to submit sustainability proposals, and we were aware that BREEAM communities had been developed. So we were anxious to try it out, and we also felt that this particular site, by its nature, was one where we could really focus on sustainable development.
BREEAM communities offered us a framework within which we could operate and enabled us to take our very broad sustainability approach and hang it on something specific. When the council procured this project, they did include sustainability as one of their key criteria. So for us to be able to use the BREEAM communities accreditation and methodology and then give it to the council effectively as this is our approach and look, it's signed off, gave them a lot of comfort. It helped us through the planning process.
It gave us confidence in the ability of the developer to pursue the sustainable objectives, but also for us to give the confidence that they will provide the quality that we were looking for. So both in terms of quality and sustainability, it increased confidence.
It encouraged us to look at reusing existing infrastructure, for example. So although the master planning process we went through and meant that we ended up reusing most of the existing roads anyway, but we also looked quite carefully at reusing the underground drainage, which we have managed to do, and a lot of the existing power infrastructure. So it did focus our minds on the reuse of the existing infrastructure as much as possible, which I think will definitely result in savings in the long term.
Good quality design going forward, which will ultimately offer cost savings in the long term, and also in terms of creating a better place for people to live, work and enjoy, and the benefits that that can bring to effectively a new community.
We have been on this site since last year and we're expecting to have our first homes ready to be sold and moved into in the next 2 or 3 months. We certainly intend to use the BREEAM Communities framework for future phases, yes. We could be here for another 15 years, something like that, and when we've finished it's going to be a brand new, very popular neighbourhood.
We're already working with another client on using BREEAM Communities, and we're about to start working with a third client using it. And we expect to continue using it here on the more detailed phases as we work through. So this is the start of a long process for us.